All right, guys, we've got the SZXYX 10-pack of replacement toothbrush heads for Philips Sonicare electric toothbrushes. So I do have a Philips Sonicare electric toothbrush, and this is actually the Philips Sonicare toothbrush head that was provided with it. And I want to show you the comparison of one of these SZXYX replacement heads. So they both have the cap that kind of protects it when you're storing it away in your toiletry kit or in the drawer. That's great. Basically about the same size of the unit itself. But here's what I want to show you. The SZXYX unit toothbrush head is actually bigger, and that I think is something that's cool. It gets more coverage. It's about the same strength, but it's definitely covers more of your teeth. So basically, if you have a Philips Sonicare, you know that's the bottom of the Philips Sonicare. It just slides on just like that. Well, here's the cool thing: the the SZXYX model, it's exactly the same. Honestly, feels more like a real toothbrush than the Philips Sonicare one does. Here's also the pack that it comes in. It comes in a nice box, and each of them is individually packed. I think that's a nice touch. Based on the number I'm seeing on the product page there, these are a really good value. I think it's going to be much more affordable than shopping the name brand, and these seem really high quality. I'm excited to get some use out of them, and I think you're going to enjoy it too.